guys, so back with another haul. So first thing are these tips on Amazon. They're the like long stiletto tips that you see on like Nailed by John and stuff, but they're like 60% less of what other people are charging, and they run really big. Like my thumb is like a number 6, so yeah, keep that in mind. And then from Amazon I also ordered some Mia Secret acrylics. And then I was on the hunt for a matte top coat, and I was gonna get the one from Nail Supply Glamour because I heard good things, but it was sold out. So I got this Koopa one from Amazon as well. And then I got some cuticle trimmers from Dollar Tree, which I watched a video and somebody said they were really good, but I hate them. They're horrible. They're such bad quality. Do not recommend. And then also from Dollar Tree, I got these glitters. I just got a purple, a green, a gold, a blue, you know, just a plethora of colors. And these were new. I had never seen these before. So I was excited and I grabbed a bunch of those. And then from Ross, I finally got a fucking mortar and pestle thing, and this was, you can see the price. It was so cheap, and it's not small. It's like a bit, not big, but it's a good size. The ones that I see on Amazon are like super tiny for like $12, and that's why I never bought one. But this one's actually a pretty decent size, and it was half the price of the tiny ones on Amazon. And then if you saw my last haul, I think you saw that I got sent some unicorn hair clips, and I had actually ordered these foil, and the foils also came with the foil glue. I've actually already tried the foils and they're really, really good. And then, oh, that was from AliExpress, by the way. And then I got these like glow in the dark pigments, but they do not really glow in the dark. This one's supposed to be glow in the dark too, but it didn't really glow. And then I got some more hollow butterflies. And then I just got a butterfly mix with like silver, pink, like metallic colors. There's some matte whites in there. And then lastly, I got this hollow powder that is kind of like the clear hollow that's going around on Instagram. But people were selling this really overpriced, so I got mine on AliExpress. And yeah, I can't wait to use it. Even like mixing it into some acrylic powders. So freaking pretty. I cannot wait to use that. And then I got some fall leaves, and I actually already used these, and I tried to film like the set I was doing when I tried these out, but the lighting and everything was horrible. But I'll just insert a picture of the nails I did, or like a boomerang or something, because I love boomerangs, of the nails I did using these leaves. Really recommend. And then I just got 2 little pots of foil. These were super cheap. They're like 30 cents each. And they're actually like packed in with like, they're full to the rim with foil. I also used the foil in my set that I did with the leaves, but as I said, the filming of that was atrocious, so yeah. I also got this Snowflake Foil. So it's just a clear foil with a bunch of little different kind of hollow snowflakes. And then I got some like marble galaxy, like a marble galaxy variety pack of foils from Full Beauty on AliExpress. And that's what those look like. And then I also got this wheel of like logos. There's like YSL, Christian Dior, Playboy, Louis Vuitton, Dior, money signs, Chanel, and they came all out of the package, so I did not open that. I need to figure out how I'm gonna store that. And then I also got some nail bits. I got a fine and a medium, like cone-shaped bit. And yeah. And then I also got these sticky tabs because I'm going to be doing a video on how to make some press-on nails, or how I do my press-on nails. And then I also got a lot of gems, and I also have a lot more coming in the mail, so get ready for another haul. So this one's just a variety pack of different colors, and then this is a wheel of a variety pack too, and they're literally the exact same like shape stones. So yeah, I kind of fucked up and got 2 of those, so I will not be buying any more of those kind of stones. And then I also ordered these are 10 count of like little diamonds and different AB shapes. These were like 30 cents a pack. And then I got some clear AB crystals. These are a size SS5. I thought it came with like a mixed size pack, but it was just the SS5. I didn't read the description properly. And then I forgot to show these. I also got those. And then I also got my new storage thing from Ross. I think it was like 40 bucks. So let me know if you want to see a tour of how I organize it, even though it's not really organized, but you know, I try. Anyways, thanks for watching, and like and subscribe, and let me know what you want to see. Bye.
Yes, the smell is crooked because my motherfucking finger is crooked. Oh, look how cute. Focus.